If you paddle, you'll start going real fast, okay?
I know, I'm paddling against it a little bit.
Yep. It's some rough wind, but I think we'll be okay. Don't cast until I'm far enough away from you, okay? You got it? Alright guys, it's some pretty rough wind. We're gonna hit this little lake. It's me, the wife, and my oldest. Hoping to catch some fish today. That's possible. Just catch each other's lures. Make that the only thing of each other you catch. The wind is supposed to be slowing down as we're out here. So hoping we can spend at least a few hours out here together. Luckily, my boy that's with us is not the kind that has to be catching fish to be happy. So we're just gonna enjoy some time out here together. We don't get very many trips of just us three out together, so this will be fun. There we go. All right, starting it out with a little one. Yeah, the wind's gonna push us everywhere today. All right, little bitty guy. These two just playing around out here. I don't know what they're doing. There's one. Oh, it got off. I set the hook good, but I guess maybe my drag was too low. That was actually a decent one. I seen it. You think what? Are you keeping it tight when you reel it in? You know how it is when you take kids and wives fishing. You gotta sit there and fix all their little mistakes first.
I almost always fix my own bird nest, so you have to know. I don't think I've ever asked you to help if I should for the first time.
There's one. Another little bitty guy. Yeah, it's hard to cast in the wind. There we go. Oh! That was a little fish. I don't know if that was a little warmouth or what.
I like warmouth. That's fun.
Yeah, this is what people child like. Oh, look at that. Got one. Oh boy, now I gotta get you off of here.
Try to hit your highlight button if you can.
Oh my gosh. I'll help you. Calm down. First fish of the night for me. First fish of fall for me. Go me. Thank you.
There's one. Just a second. Go. Was yours bigger than that? That's my biggest so far. Another little guy.
There you go.
Good job. But the dam is what we're going to. Ah, that one was a better one too. Yeah, ducks are right in front of me up at that next dock. Just missed a bite. Yep, there's one. There we go. That's my biggest one of the day.
No, that's not what I'm saying again. That's what I'm saying again. I fixed it. No, I didn't.
All right, that one's probably about 11 inches, maybe 12. All right, I think I'm gonna win. Just so you know, this was a competition and whoever won gets the most ice cream. I know we forgot to give those rules earlier, but whoever catches the most and whoever catches the biggest. Right now, I think I'm winning both.
Throw it right down those rocks, buddy.
Okay.
Yeah, I like to cast straight down the rocks, and when I'm reeling it, I can sometimes feel it bouncing off the rocks down there.
Oh.
Right there, you'll really feel it bouncing.
Apple banana. See that right there? That little. Oh, that's it.
Oh. see if I can get to a spot where I can get out, because this one's all the way up on the bank.
What did I do with my rod?
We've got it.
Oh, thank God. I thought that was
Yeah, I'm just hoping I don't fall in the water right here. You're calling catch.
No.
Oh, getting back in this is gonna be fun. That's what I said I was gonna do. Push you backwards. Oh. Whew.
I'm just gonna catch fish while you guys are busy.
Probably not.
Oh my gosh, look at this little bitty guy. Oh.
Most of mine have been about like that.
I thought I was reeling in moss.
Mom did say she was gonna catch fish while we were
I
playing
can
around.
catch it.
Crankbait.
This is fish number 2 for her. There you go. Pop it. There you go.
I didn't even cast in that.
Little bitty skinny guy.
I literally thought I was reeling in moss, and I was like, oh wait, that's a fish.
Not sure if you can see it, but there's an eagle right up there. There it goes. That was pretty cool. Yeah, it must have. That's one. Oh.
You lost it?
Yeah.